Have you ever considered the idea of growing wheatgrass right inside your home? If this idea intrigues you, stick around as we delve into the simple steps to grow your own wheatgrass indoors. Firstly, you need to select the right containers. Shallow trays or containers with drainage holes work best for this purpose. Plastic or ceramic trays are excellent choices. It's crucial that these trays are clean before the planting process begins. Next, let's prepare the growing medium. Fill your selected trays with a thin layer of potting soil, about 1 to 2 inches deep. The soil should be moist, but be careful not to overwater it. Now, it's time to soak the wheatgrass seeds. Place them in a container, cover them with water, and let them soak for about 8 to 12 hours. This soaking process helps to kickstart the germination process and primes your seeds for growth. Once the seeds have been soaked, drain the water from the container. Spread the seeds evenly over the prepared soil in the trays, gently pressing them into the soil without burying them too deeply. To ensure they're well hydrated, give them a gentle misting with water. Once your seeds are safely nestled in their trays, it's time to provide the optimal conditions for growth. Place the trays in a warm, well-lit area, preferably with indirect sunlight. A sunny windowsill works perfectly, or you can use grow lights if you have them. Strive to keep the temperature between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal growth. Watering your wheatgrass is a delicate balance. Keep the soil consistently moist by watering lightly as needed. However, be cautious not to overwater, as this can lead to mold or fungal issues. As your wheatgrass begins to grow, keep a close eye on it. It typically germinates within 2 to 3 days and reaches harvesting height around 6 to 8 inches in about 7 to 10 days. Adjust watering and light exposure as necessary to support its growth. Once the wheatgrass reaches a height of about 6 to 8 inches, it's time to harvest. Use sharp scissors to cut the wheatgrass just above the soil level. By following these steps, you'll successfully grow your very own indoor wheatgrass garden. After harvesting, your wheatgrass is ready for a second round of growth. Keep those trays clean between harvests to ward off mold and bacteria. With just a little light and water, you might even get a bonus harvest. And don't worry about fertilizer, wheatgrass isn't too picky. This indoor green thumb venture offers more than just a hobby. You're cultivating a nutritional powerhouse, versatile enough to sneak into juices, smoothies, or salads. By following these steps, you can successfully grow wheatgrass indoors and enjoy its many benefits. So why not give it a try? Share your thoughts on today's video. Join our community for more interesting topics. Thanks for watching.